92, minute 4 on course, followed by sweep 98, green light.
Okay, you got 110. You're gonna do a slight leftover crest. I'm not gonna need you numbers because I don't know them well enough. So you're gonna get a slight or a 90 or a hairpin.
I know this stage pretty well.
Alright. Do you want me to just only give you the more important stuff then? Maybe leave the littles?
Yeah, I don't.
Whatever. I'll just say it. You listen if you feel like it.
Yeah. Not my favorite spot.
Yeah.
But a lot of them.
Okay, coming up on the leftover crest, followed by that steep downhill right hairpin. Fun. I love the way this one looks. Okay, you got 1/10. You're gonna take a 90 right through the gate.
You want to lay on that one button? Which that bottom left or bottom right?
You tell me when and I'll hit it for you anytime. Just anytime we pass people.
Just mostly right there because that's spectator.
Ah. Yeah, in a 210, you have a keep right. Or keep left, keep left.
1.1.
He's a mile behind me. There's a lot of dust.
Yeah. Here's your keep left.
Sweet passing, mile 2.
You'll have another keep left.
S9, green light, passing 1.5.
I don't have the cool quick one, but you know, you get something. Keeping up on another close to 90 left.
Yes, there's a gate right here.
Yeah.
Sweet passing, mile 3.
Green light, copy, 90. Green light at 2.1.
And then about 1/10, you got left kinks.
This is where the gravel starts.
Yeah.
This shit.
Yeah, that's oh god. Exciting.
There was one year we were here and it was looking to be wet. But I think the rain stopped before the rally, but this area was quite muddy.
Yeah.
And
You're gonna have.
they asked the landowners to fill in the gravel.
Oh.
And they did. And it was so chunky. It ended up being like
S9, green light, passing 3.0.
yeah, something.
Look at that. Yeah, it's like a really interesting like like the way that where do you get gravel like that? Like where do you pick that kind of chunky, fat, flat?
Somewhere on the range, I'm sure.
Okay, the rough section, steep transition coming up, which I mean you're kind of already on a rough section. Should be 4.
Sweet passing marker 4, 0.
Morning, Captain 4.2.
Oh, look at that beautiful mountain.
That is so freaking pretty. Coming up on that no cut over crest. We're pretty on this time. Rodo's doing a whale.
There's so much dust back there. That's why it's spread out.
Okay, you're gonna keep left at the crest ahead.
Green light, Captain 4.2.
And a little less than a 10.
S98 green light, passing 4.0.
Just keep straight.
One of these crests ends.
Not this
there
one.
It is.
Yeah. Here it is. Coming up on the rough begins, you're gonna go over crest and then curve to the right. Coming up on that exposure outside is going to be a hairpin left.
98 green light, passing 4.5.
Somebody lost
I
something.
believe it.
Yeah. They're too close behind us anyway. Okay, coming over the crest to the right. You were more off than I thought. Rough, and then you're gonna go slight to the right here.
Horn.
And here's gonna be, it says it's rough, and then just to the right here. And then nothing for a mile.
6.1 K, 0 to the end.
Yep, that's your rough. Yeah, a little over half a mile before we got anything.
All just kinks.
Yep. Little guy. It's so pretty.
Car 620 has finished.
Do you want me to say past the 6.5?
No.
S98 green light, passing 5.5.
I think you knew 560. It would probably
Okay, coming up shortly on that sweeping left with exposure on the right.
USL, thank you very much.
Sweet passing mile 7.
Okay, coming up on a double apex right. Probably the one. Mine's more fun. Kick coming up on an over crest and then a sharp left.
S90, green light at 6.5.
Okay, you're gonna come up to the first utility pole. It's gonna be on your right. Sweep around to the right. And coming up on your next utility pole is gonna be a sharp left. And that's that.
Finish.
Sorry, bad timing.